Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trishang and I make content on beauty and skincare, and if that seems like your thing, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now, wedding guest makeup can be a little tricky because when you're attending someone's wedding who you're close to, you want to look glam but also not so much so that you take away their thunder. So the skin here is very glowy, very natural. The eye is very nude, even the lips, so I've made sure I think it through. The model for this video is my very beautiful sister. For any of you all wondering, I don't have a sibling, but she's my first cousin and we were brought up together, so yeah, we were never taught to call each other cousins. So yeah, she's just my sister. Yeah, without wasting any time, let's get right into the video. Starting off with skin prep, I'm going with a Garnier sheet mask. She has really normal skin, but this is something that I really like doing, is applying a sheet mask before an event, because your skin just looks really dewy and glowy. Then just rubbing any excess serum into her skin and giving her a little massage and just pushing the product into her skin. I am taking my ring finger and just pushing out any lymphatic drainage there is under her eyes. After which I'm going on with my most favorite, the chia seed moisturiser from the Face Shop. This has a very creamy but gel-like texture, so it seeps into your skin really quickly. Then I'm going with my MAC strobe cream in the shade Peach Light for the extra glow. This is an optional step, but I'm doing it anyway. Skipping color correction and going directly with my concealer because she has really good skin and no dark circles. I'm going out my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Sucre d'Orge and blending it with a flat brush and then buffing the product in for a seamless finish with a beauty blender and just pressing that in. Doing the same on the other side. For foundation, I'm using the Nars Soft Matte Foundation, mixing the two shades Vanuatu and Tahoe, and I'm just using a kabuki brush to spread the product evenly. This foundation has a very demi matte finish, but since we have so much skin prep underneath, the skin should turn out really dewy and glowy. Then again, blending all of it with a beauty blender for any lines that the brush left behind. Taking the foundation down to her neck. Never forget the neck, guys, even if your foundation is exactly matching. Then going on with my NYX concealer for just slightly brightening under her eyes and the center of her face. Blending that out with a beauty blender. For contour, I'm going on with two shades. One is a Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in Caramel, which is warmer, so it will give that whole bronzy finish. And on top, I'm going on with the LA Girl concealer in the shade I can't remember, but I mixed the two for her contour color. Blending that with the same kabuki brush, which has a little foundation left from before, so that will help the contour look more natural and blend easily. Spraying the MAC Fix Plus and setting her under eyes with some Coty airspun translucent powder. You can use any translucent powder, and I realized that the foundation is on her hair. Didn't realize that while doing it, but clearly the camera is catching, so make sure that doesn't happen. Adding some blush, the Nars Orgasm blush, and buffing it in with the beauty blender. Then I'm adding some powder contour using my Kat Von D palette. Taking that down to the jaw. For prepping the eyes, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is very pigmented and full coverage, so it will hide any veins visible. Using a very skin-like color to set that base. Then going from with the mauve shade from the same palette and using it as my transition and also taking it all over the lid. After which I'm adding the brown from the same palette on the outer corner of the eye and just blending all of it with my transition brush, which is coming, yeah. I'm just using the one that had the mauve color. Using a flat brush to apply the glitter, but it wasn't really showing up, so I used some Fix Plus, but still isn't giving the desired look I wanted. So I went on with my finger and I realized that the payoff is much better when you do that, so remember to do that, guys. After which I'm going on with multiple coats of the Maybelline Hypercurl Mascara and just brushing her brows in upward direction and filling them in. Oh, she did her eyeliner on her own. I forgot to film that. And then after filling in, I'm just going on with my Lash Paradise mascara by L'Oreal. After adding multiple layers of skin prep, I'm still going on with a little highlight using a flat brush. I'm using the Nika highlighter. Then lining her lips with the Maybelline Color Sensational lip liner and just filling it in for the lipstick to stay longer, and then going on with the Superstay matting in the shade Lover. And she's ready to go to her friend's wedding. I think she's looking beautiful. Skin is looking amazing. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.